Hi. Here we will talk. Now we will talk about naming functions. This shouldn't be actually difficult for you because basically everything is practically identical as with variables. Um, we cannot use reserved keywords to name functions. We cannot start the name of a function with a number. Again, the same as with variables. Uh, function name can contain numbers, but it just cannot be at the beginning. And we cannot use characters which have some special meaning, which are not letters or numbers. The only exception is underscore, which we use to separate words in the name of the function. And again, it's encouraged to use names of the function which are unambiguous and that indicate what is the goal of the function, what the function does, what its desired usage. As you have already seen, Python usually, I mean not Python, but the tool in which we use Python, like Colab Notebook, usually suggests to us if we start writing some few letters, it already suggests us the complete name, so we don't have to worry even if the name has 50 or 60 letters. We'll just click tab or use mouse to choose the name we need, and the tool, the Colab notebook or something else will just complete this name for us. So it's much easier to put some effort once, create a long, indicative, unambiguous name of a function, and then not have to worry about this later on, then to create short names because I can write them fast and this is not a good idea. It's much better to use indicative names so you know what is going on in code. Um, basically, this is all about naming functions. You will get used to it. It's good to have some common standard, but basically, if you are working in a team, then maybe you will have some specific rules of naming something. But for now, the most important thing is use letters and numbers. You cannot start with a number. The only sign you can use except letters and numbers is underscore, which you don't have to, but you should use as breaks between words which you want to separate in a name of a function. So next thing we will talk about are built-in functions. So you will learn using the most basic example how to use functions which were created by other people. So see you in the next video, and thank you for your attention.